Good. Now I'm staying outside. I'm gonna do some handstand, handstand with the parallel. How do you say parallel? Yeah, parallel. He here I'm stay outside in my garden, and there is kind of problem. This not really surface, but who care? I'm with do it. We do it. But also I need to do some warming up. Now it's not really what for day is today. I don't know. It's a day that I'm gonna do training my handstand to make it more balanced. So phew, I feel like they go so fast. I still remember in the morning I was wake up and do some driving lesson and eating. After that, boom, it's afternoon. Oh no, now it's evening. Never mind. Now it's evening. Now it's evening. So yeah. Also for the handstand, uh, wait, let me go closer for handstand. I'm doing some warming up with this with my wrist. You see, do some forward, backward, forward with my wrist. Like move. I'm gonna take one hand here and lean forward, back, forth, and back. For this, it's gonna make your wrist not get injuries, but it will make your wrist more stronger. If you lean more, you can compare it like a planche. Even though I still cannot do a planche, but I can do some handstand. So for me, warming up is really important. But if you like some people who are really egotistic, right? You can do some stupid some warming, some shallow warming. Yeah, some shallow warming. Yeah. So you just do like you warming up and then boom, you get straight into it. Yeah, of course, that I can still do it, but I can still do it like, like this, and I'm falling down. But yeah, but I don't want to hurt myself. I, I don't want to hurt myself so much. For the long term, yeah, it's really cool for the short term. For the short term, you want to let people know that I can do handstand immediately from outside to handstand immediately. Yeah, that is for short term for try to flexing another people. But for long term, you probably need to do some dynamic stretching or really good warming up, or else you will injuring yourself. For warming the your shoulder here, front shoulder, I'm just do some pie push up like this. Some little bit holding so that your body adapting your shoulder, your upper shoulder, and yeah, I mean your upper body, especially your shoulder, they kind of adaptation that there is a heavy force tries to against them. So need to a little adopt it. So that is I believe that is a good thing to to get really strong at the handstand. And this is my opinion. So I'm not really a pro calisthenics. But on my way, I will be a pro in calisthenics in the future. Just watch me out. Watch me out. For for 5 push-up, I think you saw it. What I'm do, just take here a little bit. Normally you can do on the ground, but we do on pallets because we're easy to let to know it. 5 push-up is what the hell? What I need to say? I just forgot it. Uh, Never mind. Just continue. I'm gonna do some handstand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna remember. Before this record, I'm just already do some warming up. So it's all good. No wasting your time. From handstand, just for me, I'm just gonna do it like here, and I try I try to do my elbow not in the middle of your how do you say side body, the side of your body, side torso. I'm gonna say that because I don't know how do you say that. But yeah, I mean, don't let your elbow higher than your side body, because if it's higher, it means it's gonna be harder to push your body up. I will I will show you. It really is gonna harder for push your body up. Is this right? Or never mind, because I can do it because I'm a little bit more advanced, a little bit more advantage in calisthenics. So it, this might be mm, not so hard for me right now, but you understand. Right? When for do two handstand, I'm gonna try to kicking my ball my with my leg a little bit up, so like this, kicking, kicking. But I'm gonna do it with two feet. Oh, to kick my low body up in up into the air, and why I'm kicking is gonna give me some momentum, so I can move my body, my upper body with my, the down body, low body up, and then I can do some handstand. But for handstand push up, it's kind of hard. It's heavy, and also if you saw it when why I'm falling down, I feel on the correct way, so that if I feel like lean almost with my back, damn, you're gonna get some hurt, bro. You're gonna be an old man. But I have a good technique to do it, so we'll do it again. You see, so but I'm gonna do some L shit to instant. So almost, but yeah, that's how I do it, and it hurt my back a little bit. I just still feel hurting from the training with dips, weight dip. uh, Never mind. It's it's a water progress. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, for the handstand push up for the balance. So yeah, you can do it with palette. Lean into the wall, right? Just lean into the wall and do a handstand push up. And for the balance, just he you can imagine he is your feet, right? Your body gonna lean so to your body gonna lean so to the uh, the 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 wall. Oh yeah, finally into the wall, and you can do a little bit push away with your feet to make your core get engaged and feel the balance on it. It's just so for handstand, it's not so hard skill, but the hard thing is that you need to have a good balance. You need to have a good balance. Yes, and for and also for rep and set. I think I don't really need to do to failure. I think I don't need to do failure because if I really do to failure, yeah, of course, it's gonna make you more stronger. But if you consider weighted dips with handstand, it's almost the same. You need to push, right? You need to push for pushing for handstand push. Uh, yeah, handstand push up. It's almost the same movement. It's just that one is your body virtually up, whole body little upside down, and with dips you're gonna do like this, like a like fucking wasting so yeah, it's nothing special. It's just a journey. Try try to I'm trying to have fun in the progress. So yeah, it's a long journey. Of course, some guy mm, they gonna some guy they gonna progressing fast than other guy, but yeah, that's is a little bit genetic. It's genetic, and that's make some people they progressing faster than others, and they try to after progress fasting they just gonna post on whatever the social media platform they post that they achieve this plans for 7 months, or somebody they achieve plan for 2 years. Yeah, it's kind of hard, you know. Somebody they have good genetic for calisthenics, and somebody they not really have, but they are still they still have fun on their progress. And for me, I I want both. But yeah, let's go, bro. This video today.